Cooking with Chris, take 2.
Hi, I'm David Hatch, and as you can notice, I'm not Chris Aegis. He's in the hospital from dying 4 times. Well, anyways, we're gonna be cooking today, and I mean cooking. No one's gonna die on this episode. And today, we're gonna be making muffins. When you first start out with your muffins, you're gonna want some peanut butter, some chicken broth, some honey mustard, and some mushrooms, and a cap and a tap. You're gonna place this in the oven. Wait, some butter too.
Can't forget the butter.
After you stir this for a while, you're gonna place it into the the oven, at 1,000,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're gonna wait. Well, we just gotta wait for that bing. Bing! Oh, well, it looks like our product is finished. Let's see how we did. Oh, they look marvelous. Now, don't you just want to take a bite of those?
Hey, Chris,
Ooh.
I'm gonna stab you again. You're not Chris. Where the hell's Chris?
Let's try our finished product.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna kill you. I'll let kill Chris, remember? You look like Chris.
That's not Chris.
Oh yeah, it's his foreign stepbrother or something.
Yeah,
Woo!
Stress. Magus.
I'm Todd, his evil cousin.
Oh,
That's
hi
right.
Todd.
What the fuck am I supposed to do with that?
Go over that way. That way.
You're... I'm not gonna save you. But I'm gonna save the camera.
Wait. I have money.
I have muffins.
Oh, brownies. I'll take that. There you guys.
Fun.
See you, nice man.
What the fuck did you say?
I mean, you're an evil man. Evil man.
And that was Cooking with Chris.
Dum dum dum.
Oh!